When a woman has been given so much right that if she does not like the face of a man, or if a man cannot do all the sexual performance, then the woman has the right to leave him. So in this context, when she has so much right that she can leave him whenever she wants, on these reasons, which we may not consider important, that she is ugly, we can see that she is wrong. Then why do people say that she can be sexually abusive? If the wife has so much right to leave, then why will she tolerate so much cruelty every night? Who said she should not? It is her right. I have a video recording of it. The women who work hard all day take care of the whole family. Powered by Dubverse. But the whole family cannot take care of a sick woman. This is a scientific fact of this society. If a man falls ill, a woman spends her whole life with him, serving him. If a woman falls ill, a man divorces her and sets her aside. Even worse, if someone's husband dies, this society does not allow him to remarry. And the man starts looking for a wife on the same day. So this is a fact. Powered by Dubverse. And people should be educated to give space to each other. And Islam has said that a woman should accommodate a man. Obviously, to avoid a bigger problem than that. Then such men secretly get married or get involved in adultery. If a woman can accommodate, then she should. She has been encouraged. It is not obligatory on her to accommodate a man if she feels uncomfortable. And I think men and women should have such an understanding of each other in this regard. Obviously, I can't say all that in front of the camera. If a woman does not agree to have such a relationship with a man, then the man also divorces her. Nothing comes out of it. So it is better that they give her space. You are saying that the oppression, compulsion should not be allowed. Yes, it should not be done. It should not be done or it is not allowed. No, it is not allowed. It is wrong.